Debt forgiveness. Opposition PNP promises a special student loan program for some teachers if elected to office. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, PNP defends decision to have controversial dancehall artist Vibes Cartel appear on stage at the party's annual conference, and father and daughter killed in Westmoreland crash. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.